Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm an event planner at the Orange County Library System. I plan author events and writing workshops. And since we're not able to have those at the library right now, I invited some of my writing and publishing friends to provide writing tips for you. This next one is from author Kristin Durfee.
Hi, my name is Kristin Durfee. I'm the author of the young adult trilogy, Four Corners, and I'm here to talk to you today about different writing styles. There are three main types of writing styles. There's pantsing, plotting, and plantsing. So in pantsing, a writer will normally have a little bit of an idea. They may have some notes jotted down, but for the most part, they're letting the story take them as it unfolds. So they're writing by the seat of their pants. And plotting, a writer would have some type of structured outline. So it would have a beginning, middle, and end, may have some character lists, and it can be either very extensive, some can be several pages long, or it can be a little more simplistic. But you pretty much know when you're sitting down to write at least a little bit of where that story is going. And then there's also plantsing, which is a bit of a hybrid of the two. So you might not have quite as extensive of an outline as you would if you were plotting, but you certainly have a little bit more of an idea of where that beginning, middle, and end is than if you were just pantsing. So it's a good idea if you are maybe stuck in your story or you're a newer writer or trying a new genre to kind of dabble in which ones you think might work for you. Certain projects certainly lend themselves more to one or the other. If you're going to be writing a series, it might be a good idea to try to plot so that way you can kind of know where all your characters are going and keep track of them. If you're writing a standalone, that may lend itself more to pantsing because you can kind of see where that story goes. And then again, some might lend themselves to having a little bit of both. Also, your writing styles as well. If you like to be more methodical, like me, I'm a very type A person, so I like to have very extensive plots. It helps keep me on track for my stories. But if you are someone who kind of likes to see what's going to happen and be just as surprised as your readers might be as you're developing that story, then pantsing might be for you. But if you've tried one of those writing styles, feel free to try another one. Don't be afraid to experiment, to dabble, borrow a little from one and a little from another, and see what really works for you and your writing.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about writing workshops and see more videos, visit ocls.info/writerscorner. Orange County Library System is your place to learn, grow, connect.